Do your thing, gon' move around. You know I ain't sticking around, cause you ain't fucking with a rookie. Baby, I seen it all, the game ain't new to me. And I do what I got to let you know you ain't fucking with a rookie. Baby, I seen it all, the game ain't new to me.
Up my family. So I know it's been a minute since I cooked, and I was supposed to do some lemon pepper chicken, but I just never made it around to doing it, and I was going to do it today for today's Cook With Me Monday. However, I got on YouTube, and then this girl popped up, her video popped up, and she made like this baked spaghetti, and I was like, oh, I want to try that. So I went to the store, got everything that I needed. So today we're actually going to do a baked spaghetti. I don't think I've ever had baked spaghetti before, unless that's what they make when you're in high school, junior high, middle school, you know, during lunch. But hopefully it turns out good. The video looked good, so I'm gonna follow her instructions, and we just gonna get straight into it. I don't want to make this video too long. Y'all already know I am in beginner stages of cooking, and I need to be able to cook before Aiden comes. I actually went not this morning, but I went to go get some breakfast stuff because I want to do breakfast, learn how to cook out breakfast. I'm really just trying to program my body so that I can get up early in the morning to cook breakfast, have some lunch prepared, even though he'll be at daycare during lunchtime, but at least have breakfast and dinner prepared. Like, if I can get that, then your girl's gonna be A1 in a sauce and know how to do some like quick little snacks, dessert. But we're not there yet. Today we're just going to do some baked spaghetti with some rolls and some cream style corn. Y'all, I love corn. I actually love corn on the cob, but with my braces, it's a no for me. The lady said it takes like 40 minutes to cook this meal. So we shall see. I'll walk y'all through everything, and I'll have all the ingredients and the measurements listed down below in case I do not have them pop up on the screen. And we're going to get right into it. If you do not know, my name is Audrey. We do vlogs, we do hauls, we do pranks, even though I haven't did a prank in a while because I ain't got no friends here. So we're doing Cook With Me Mondays because your girl needs to learn how to cook for her child and for her future husband. So yeah, let's get straight into the video.
Maybe I was confused, or did you feel it too? In that room it suddenly just felt like it was me and you. Cause I forgot about your friend, what's his name again? I really can't recall a single thing of what he said to me. It was just like waking up from a fever dream, when I found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules, you would be with me. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe is a bitch. Universe is a bitch. Cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe is a bitch. Universe is a bitch. Wish I could cut myself loose, but I hold on to you. Now I'm in your city, wasting time. Oh God, I wish you knew. I hate being in between. I wanna make a scene, still hoping for you and me, wondering what could have been. It was just like waking up from a fever dream, when I found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules, you would be with me. If universe a bitch. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe a bitch, universe a bitch. 'Cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe a bitch, universe a bitch. You know I don't believe in shit like fate, but lately things have happened that I can't explain. You're miles away, still I know what you're thinking of. The universe is a bitch.
Yo, yo, yo. I don't know how everything has officially turned out, but I'm still working on my presentation, y'all. I'm still working on the presentation. However, when I was tasting the sauce earlier, it was so, boy, it was good. It was good. Then I had to run to the store and get some more spaghetti noodles because I did not have enough. And I probably put too much, but we just gonna see. But even when I came back in the house, my home smelled like a good cooked meal. So we're finna do the tester. We finna see how it all came out. I'm extremely proud of myself, y'all. I really am, because I am really trying my hardest to learn how to cook and really be consistent and persistent with it. I'm gonna get this down pat. I'm gonna get this cooking down pat, and y'all, I know I'm too old to not know how to cook, but we're learning now. So y'all gonna learn with me. If you do not know how to cook and you're trying to learn, I'm the channel that you need to follow, because we gonna learn together. All these expert cooks who know how to dice and slice and cook it up nice. Y'all too advanced for me. I gotta take things slow. I'm gonna mess up some meals, but let's just try it and see how it came out. And obviously I did not cook the corn because I actually forgot about it. So this is what, hey, it smells good. I'm not gonna lie, it smells good. Y'all can't smell it, but I can. And I'm not even the type to lie to you to say if something smells good, something tastes good, because I'm not gonna fool y'all, because I'm not about to fool Aiden. And oh, when I get a man, I can't fool him neither. I need to know how to bling, bling, bling. I really do not want the cheese. Yo, it actually came out really good. I feel like the only thing that I could have worked on better is to either not put as much noodles or added the other jar of sauce, because I do like my spaghetti saucy, and this isn't saucy. This is definitely giving me high school lunch spaghetti vibes. But we're gonna keep working on it. I feel like I did a good job for this being my first time doing a baked spaghetti. I can eat the whole pan, so I'm proud about that. The season is good. I just wish it had more sauce on the noodles. I'll link the girl's video that I followed down below, and the actual measurements down below, so that y'all will be able to try it on y'all own. She's got some more stuff that I'm going to try to cook. But that's all, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed the video. I hope that y'all learned something, not from me, but we're just here for the vibes, actually. We're really just here for the vibes. But y'all enjoy y'all day, y'all night, y'all evening, y'all morning, whenever you choose to watch this. This is a very good, easy peasy meal to make, and it's actually really good. Just if you're gonna add as much noodles as I did, add more sauce, honey. Add more sauce. But I love y'all. Enjoy y'all night, and I'm about to enjoy my food. Give me another plate, get my roll, pour me something to drink, and call it a night. Bye.